Congrats on the new job. I've had the opportunity to experience 10 different first days starting a new job. 10 different first days. From that valuable experience, I was able to really create, implement, and reap the success of a foolproof first day strategy, and now I want to share it with you. I can close my eyes and instantly be back in your shoes where you're waiting to go in, your heart is pounding, your palms are sweating. Do I have everything I need? I get it, but take a deep breath. You can kill it on the first day when you have a good strategy. Even on your first day of work, you're starting your leadership journey, so show up, be prepared, and purposefully choose your actions so that from the start, people know that you are someone worth taking notice of. On your first day, you're going to meet the most important person at this point in your career, your trainer. Because I've been on the other side, I have no doubt that after your first day, your trainer will be asked by their boss what they think about you. A lasting positive first impression doesn't just happen by accident. You have to have a strategy. So here we go. 3 tips to set yourself apart with your trainer. Number 1, get to know them. They say that young people have a hard time with face-to-face communication. So set yourself apart by making eye contact, ask questions, and actively listen to your trainer. Ask them about their professional experience. This will help you better understand their point of view as you work with them through the coming years, and you can get a feel for what their career goals are so that you can start figuring out how you fit into the long-term plan at the organization. Okay, how else can you get to know your trainer? Ask about their family, what they like to do for fun. Of course, their professional experience is valuable, but you really need to get to know them on a personal level too. Purposefully building relationships from day one is so important. These people can open doors for you, but these people can close doors for you. They can help you in your success or they can write you off. So that was number 1, get to know your trainer. Number 2, take notes. Taking notes not only shows your trainer that you care, but it's also proven that if you hear and see information when you write it, then you're more likely to remember it. And just a side note, if your trainer's not tech savvy and you choose to take notes on your phone, tell them what you're doing. Repeatedly, I've heard people say that they trained someone all day and all they did was play on their phone. But come to find out, that person was actually taking notes on their phone. The workplace is going to be full of such diverse people, so it's important to communicate even on small things like that from day one. Number 1, get to know your trainer. Number 2, take notes. Number 3, acknowledge their value. Tell your trainer you're excited to learn from them. Thank them for training you. No matter who you are, if someone says something nice to you, it makes you feel good. And it's human nature to want to be around people who make you feel good. So by acknowledging their value, thanking them for their time, you're actually showing them that you're committed to your professional development because you realize someone smart, your trainer, is taking time to invest in you. Your trainer has likely achieved some measure of success within the company, and behind successful people are those who shared, showed, and supported them on their journey. Which means your trainer probably has friends and mentors that are smarter and more experienced than you. And it's also likely that if recommended by your trainer, that those friends and mentors would likely be willing to invest in you too. Get to know your trainer. Take notes, acknowledge your trainer's value. If you finish up your first day having done these 3 things, I guarantee you that conversation between your trainer and their bosses at the end of your first day will go something like this. They were amazing today. Or this is someone who's going to do big things, I can already tell. Or this is someone to take notice of. So on the first day of your leadership journey, go in with a strategy that works. Make choices to take actions that will make it obvious that you are the one they need to take notice of.